Hello and welcome in online edu classes. I am Jeet Shah. Today we are going to dig deep into clauses and their types. So let's get started. So what is clause? It's a group of words. It has a subject verb combination and it has complete meaning by itself. So you can consider simple sentence as a clause. For example, I work regularly. Now, is this a clause? For that, we will check whether it is satisfying all the three conditions that we just discussed. It is a group of words. Yes, it is a group of words. Here, I is the subject and work is the verb. So it has verb subject combination also, and the whole sentence I worked regularly make complete meaning by itself. Hence, we can say that it is a clause. Now, clauses are mainly divided into two parts based on their usage. It may be dependent clause or independent clause. So, independent clause is also known as main clause and dependent clause is known as subordinate clause. Independent clause is actually a complete sentence by itself. It doesn't need any other clause for its existence. For example, you can sing. Here, you is the subject, sing is the verb, and the whole sentence is giving complete thought by itself. So it's an independent clause. So then what is a dependent clause? It has a subject and a verb, of course, but it does not have a complete thought by itself and is dependent on main clause, or we can say it as independent clause for a complete thought. For example, whatever you like. Here, you is subject and like is verb. And the whole sentence is having a meaning as well, but it's incomplete. Now, let's add a main clause to this clause. You can sing. Now, whole sentence become you can sing whatever you like. Now here, the entire thought is complete with the main clause and subordinate clause. Now, we are going to learn about dependent clause. It is mainly divided into three parts: noun clause, adjective clause, verb clause. Let's discuss about each of them. What is noun clause? Noun clause is a group of words having subject and verb of its own and it acts as a noun in the sentence. For example, I feel that she will call me. Here, that she will call me is a clause as it is a group of words having subject and verb of its own and the whole clause is acting as an object of the verb fear. So it's a noun clause. Let's move into one more example. That you have come pleases me. Here, that you have come is a noun clause as it is acting as a subject to the verb pleases. So basically this clause does the work of noun. Now let's look into the next type of a clause, that is adjective clause. Adjective clause is a group of words having subject and verb of its own and it acts as an adjective. What does adjective do? They describe noun and so do the adjective clause. For example, the pen which is of red color is mine. Here, the clause which is of red color is an adjective clause as it has subject and verb of its own and it's describing the noun pen. Let's look into one more example. He bought a dog whose eyes were blue. Here, whose eyes were blue is an adjective clause and the clause is having a subject and a verb and is describing the noun dog. So basically this clause does the work of an adjective. So now let's look into another type of clause, that is adverb clause. Adverb clause is a group of words having subject and verb of its own and is act as an adverb in the sentence. Now, what does adverb do? They modify verbs, right? So, do the adverb clause. For example, I go to play when my friends come. Here, when my friends come is a clause and it has a subject friend and a verb come. So it is describing verb play. So it's an adverb clause. Let's look into one more example. I will give you money so that you can buy your books. Here, so that you can buy your books is a clause as it has its subject and verb combination of its own. Your subject is you and verb is buy and describing the act of giving, which is a verb. So basically this clause does the work of adverb. That's all about clause. I hope you all understood. So I will meet you with the next video. Till then, practice all this thing and be ready with your work and have a great day.